Good morning, ninth class children. Ninth class children, and get ready for class. Open your notes, textbook, pen. In previous classes, we are discussing about this factorization. This factorization is based on algebraic formula. Algebraic formula means a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b plus c whole square, a square minus b square, like that. A plus b whole cube, all these formulas, there are more than 12. And now we are going to solve this fourth exercise, fourth example on fourth chapter, E exercise, based on a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula is equal to a plus b into a minus b. On this formula, we have to do problems, factorization. Factors simply first number 1, 7x squared minus 7. Second, 8 minus 50 x y squared del squared. Okay. Third, ab squared minus ac squared. Fourth, 36x cubed minus x. Fifth, x of x squared minus 1 plus 7 of x squared minus 1. Sixth, t squared t minus 3 whole squared and minus of t minus 3 whole square. Okay, let us do first this. By seeing the problem, immediately we get the idea. 7 common. So first you remove it, taking 7 common, x squared minus 1. Now it has come under formula a squared minus b squared. This is x squared, this is 1 squared. So now we can factorize this again. 7 of x plus 1 into x minus 1. Oh, they take 2 common. 2 taking common, 4 minus 25 y squared z squared. This is nothing but 2 squared minus 5yz whole squared. Again it is in the form of a squared minus b squared formula. Formula. See, 2 of put equals 2 of 2 plus 5 plus yz, 2 plus yz into 2 minus 5yz. Close the bracket. Third, take here AB common, here B minus, take only A common, A B square minus c square. Again it is in the form of a square minus b square. Now this is a of b plus c into b minus c factors. This is the formula, main formula. This whole exercise is on this formula. Now we will take x common. X taking common at 36x squared minus 1. And x taking common 6x whole squared minus 1 squared. Now this is x of 6x plus 1 into 6x minus 1. Fifth problem, x squared minus 1 common into here x is left, 7 is left, x plus 7. Again it is in the form of x squared minus b squared. First problem, x plus 1 into x minus 1 are the factors and x plus 7 as this. These are the factors. Here t minus 3 whole square taking common. Here t square minus 1. We have taken whole total t minus 3 whole square. Here remains 1. Put taken total limits. Total term taken as common. Here remains 1. Now the factors are t minus 3 whole square. And again this is split into two factors, t plus 1 into t minus 1, like this. So we have to do like taking common 7th 5c squared 5c squared of c plus 2 whole square minus 45 of c plus 2 whole square. Oh. Now here taking c plus 2 common, same terms, and 5 also common, 5 1 5 9. So what remains here? Taking 5 common and c plus 2 whole square. Here remains c square. Here remains 5 9s are 9. This term is left. 5, take 5 of c plus 2 whole square taken common. Here c square remains, 5 9s are 5 taken common, 5 9s. Again it is in the form of a square minus b square, c square minus b square. So 5 of c plus 2 into c plus 3, c minus 3, like this. So these are the factors. 8. A plus b whole square minus 1. This is 1 square. A plus b whole square, here minus 1 is there. So it is applicable 1 square. So it is a plus b 1 into a plus b minus 1 formula. You think it is minus 1 square. This totally a square minus b square. Only that much change. 9 1 minus x minus y whole square Here this also it comes under a square minus b square, a square. So 1 plus x minus y once, and in subtraction plus x becomes minus x, minus y becomes plus y. Factors. Tenth, 25a squared minus 16 of x minus y whole square. So this is 5a whole square minus 4 of x minus y whole square. Four of. Now this is one's plus, one's minus. In the minus, we have to change the signs. Here plus x minus x plus minus y plus y. We have to change the signs in subtraction. See how I am writing. 5a in plus, as it is 4 of 4x minus 4y. Second term minus 5a minus 4x plus 4y. Minus becomes plus. Minus becomes plus. These are the facts. Level 20 minus 45 of m plus n whole square. Here 12 x plus x minus x power y minus y. 30 x power 4 minus 625. 14 x y power 5 y x power 5, and the 15th 81 x power 4 minus 256 y power 4. 16 a squared plus ac plus bc minus b squared. See, let us do one by one. Take here 5 common. 5 of 4 minus 9 of m plus n whole square. In the next step, 5 of 4 minus, so 9 is brought to inside the bracket. 3 squared, 3m plus 3n. Square root of 9. Now this is whole square. Totally this is a square minus b square. It is coming this form. This 9 is taken as 3 squared. 3 is brought inside the bracket. 3 multiplied. Now this is 4. 4 is 2 squared. 4 is nothing but 2 squared into. So 5 of 2 plus 3m minus 2m, 3m plus 3n, 1 into 2 minus 3m minus 3n, like this. And close the square bracket. To think this is a square totally, this is totally b square. In place of b, this one. Next, this is in the form of a squared minus b squared. Again, this is x squared plus y squared into x squared minus y squared. Here we don't have factors for this. We have, it is coming under this formula. So we can split x squared plus y squared into x plus y into x minus y. Like this. Now this is x squared whole square minus 25 whole square. Now this is x squared plus 25 into x squared minus 25. Again this is 5 squared, a squared minus b squared. X squared plus 25 into x squared minus 5 squared. Split factors, x squared plus 25 into x plus 5 into x minus 5 factors. Here xy taking common, we get here y power 4 and here x power 4 and same as 12 proper. Xy writing outside, this is y squared whole square, x squared whole square. Now taking xy common outside, this is y squared plus x squared once and y squared minus x squared once. Close the bracket. Again we can get factors for this. We don't have for this. Plus minus means it will come on minus only. There is no factors for plus a square plus b square. Now xy taking common, y squared plus x squared into x plus y into x minus y. Close the bracket. 15. Uh, 9x squared whole square. 16 y squared whole square. Factors 9x squared plus 16 y squared into 9x squared minus 16 y squared. Again it is coming minus 2. When it is minus, it will come under this formula a squared 3x squared minus 4y squared. 9x squared plus 16y squared into 3x squared, 3x whole squared minus 4y whole squared. 9x squared plus 16y squared into 3x plus 4y into 3x minus 4y. So like this we have to do. Let us rewrite this one. A squared minus b squared plus ac plus bc. Here c common. Here we can write this as factors of these two. A plus b into a minus b plus c taking common. We get here a plus b common. Again here a plus b common. A plus b common. So taking a plus b common, here remains a minus b, here remains plus c. So these are the factors. Just practice all these very interesting problems, and you have to write the problem and see which term is coming common.